Welcome back, YouTube. I'm Rich from Rich Micro Tooling Technologies, and today we're going to be replacing the weight covers on my Grizzly mini mill. And I don't know if it's the oil that I'm using. I use a lot of WD-40, and it seems like it's really roaching out the rubber on this thing. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take and pull this off. I'm going to have to open up this bar a little bit to accept the new one, and we're going to put on something new, something different. Took the cheap way out. This is a floor mat. You pick them up at Walmart. Actually, it was sitting in my garage. It's from an old vehicle that I had. And we're going to take it, we're going to retrofit this to this. I don't know, I think I paid $4 or $5 for this at one time. See how long it lasts. Alright, going to bring you back as soon as I start to pull all that off. So I pulled it off. I was able to do a little bit of separating on the band that holds it to this side here. Just want to get some of these chips out of the way. Until it's a working machine. All right. So I was able to open that up and force that out a little bit, and I'm going to take it, I'm just going to drive a chisel down there and just open that up a little bit more, and then I'll repress it on. And then I might even throw two pop rivets across there. Okay, I'll bring you back in a minute. Okay, well, YouTube, that's what I accomplished, is right there. Sorry if it's real tight quarters. Auto floor mat, way protectors. Okay, I'll be right back for a close-up. That was just a little bit of a demonstration of, you don't have to go on McMaster-Carr, pay $40 for a piece of rubber to keep the chips off of your ways. Temporary fix? Maybe. Will it last? Maybe. Don't know. We're going to play it. So this is January 2nd is today, 2021. Gonna see how long this thing will take us. If it takes us any further than that, well, then I might just end up going and getting another one that's maybe got not as many ribs on it, you know, that's more of like a flush. Gonna see what happens, folks. Okay. Be safe. Take care of one another. Just remember, this is a very difficult time, and we all have a difficult time. Just being in your shop helps along the way. All right, YouTube. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for commenting. If you like the video, drop a comment on the bottom. If you don't, you don't. Thumbs up, you do. Okay. Happy New Year.